Steady on my grind. Last giddy boy, I no get him anytime. Yo, what up? Is your boy to Geezy, and you're about to watch my interview. You guys should not judge me, I beg. One love. Peace out. I'll sign Burna Boy. Have a feature with Whiskey. The video, put music there. Ajoko. Burna Boy said what he said. I don't think anybody could do it for Burna Boy. He said what he said. When last did I have sex? Last week. Best food. Rice and stew and chicken. I don't know, rice. Yeah. Nigerians we like rice everything. Female artists in Nigeria, they are doing good, but we need like a lot more from them because there are just like a few of them. The industry just feels like it's only the guys that are singing, but I know like a few other women can sing, and you just have to come out and showcase yourself. That's all. Craziest thing I did in secondary school. I burnt down. There are lots. Okay, the earliest one I did, I was in JSS2. Then I almost burnt down the school. Nigerian music industry still porous. That's why I just think like there's still a lot of space to tap into. A whole lot of spaces. So I know I have my space in the industry. Just watch out for Geezy. But you ever suspended in school? No, one way or the other I shall always escape out. I don't shall suspend me. I studied media and communications studies in Babalola University. I'm an Abuad boy. It's a physical fight, obviously now. Very good student. You guys racks now. And even in that space that they call them, so guys racks at every time. Hey man, but don't rack. Shoot, kiss and marry Tiwa, Toke and Shay Shay. I would kiss Tiwa, shoot Shay Shay and marry Toke. Toke is not married now, so I think I should just marry Toke. My latest musical project, okay? First Flight, my EP is out right now, and you guys can stream my EP on all platforms. So just go there. And my video is even out too, and it's a very mad video. It was shot by Coca. He's a bad guy, check him out. Favorite thing to do? I don't know. I like drinking beer. My music definitely, and I'm a video director too. I would say Burna Boy. Burna Boy sound is very unique, and I would say Burna Boy. And then Budge on the microphone. I have 3 artists to feature on the track. Drake, Burna Boy, and Summer Walker. My favorite song out of my songs. Oh, F2 Geezy Day, so fly, I'm gonna fly. I know this. Oh, F2 Geezy Day, so fly, I'm gonna fly away. Oh, F2 Geezy Day, so fly, I'm gonna fly away. Best artist in Nigeria, Davido. That guy is hardworking, man. For somebody that everybody thinks doesn't have a lot of talent and is still doing this good, man. Maybe is the baddest in this country. Best rap song of the year. Gang. Set town of Lagos. No, I don't know what you want to say. Gang is like the hottest rap song this year from a singer. Rappers were even doing cover anyhow. So that's my best rap song for the year. And that's the rap.
Set I want.
Peace out.
120 men gang. Set I want. Akube Balenciaga gang. I want.
Of Lagos.